Hi friends, this video shows how to allow install app from unknown source and fix app not installed error. I would be showing two methods. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Method 1. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Tap on security and privacy. Go down. Tap on more security settings. Tap here. Tap on install unknown apps. So here you can see list of apps. From this list we need to select one app. So let me select this Google Chrome browser. I am going to allow this Google Chrome browser app to download and install Android APK file from unknown source. Let me enable. Done. After this, using Google Chrome browser, we can download and install Android APK file from internet without any error. Similarly, we can set this permission for other apps in the list. For example, let me enable Firefox. See, now using Firefox we can download and install Android APK file from internet without any error. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Tap on apps. Tap here. Then tap on these three dots on top right corner. Tap on special access. Then tap on install unknown apps. Tap here. So we will get the same screen here. From here we can enable or disable that feature. So these are the two methods. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.